Hi, so this is a short video, which is a tutorial of Groove funnels. It includes website and landing page templates and the free bonus from Affiliate Tube, which is a 24-hour ranking system, which does what it says in the tin. It enables you to use YouTube to get to the top of Google rankings. It's a great system and you can do it within 24 hours. This is all about Groove. I've tried to keep it really short. What people don't talk often enough about Groove is all of the website templates. Now you can pay anywhere between $49 and $79 for a WordPress template. Groove does all and more that most WordPress sites do. So if nothing else, if you just want to start with Groove in terms of building websites and templates, it's free for that. And you get your own domain name, so you don't even have to buy domain names. But of course, you can then lead into all of your funnels and all of the great things that you can do with landing pages. And one last thing in the spirit of a review, what you don't get with Groove is your email autoresponder. Now, I've used other funnel marketing systems and discovered that I also had to get my own autoresponder. So it's not really a big negative, but you do need to be aware that you're still going to need an email autoresponder. Now, I use ActiveCampaign. It's about $9 a month. Groove are coming on board with Groove Mail, I think in May. So by that point, you're going to have absolutely everything that you're ever going to need to run online marketing, build funnels, build websites. It's going to be the complete suite of tools. It really is an incredible offering. So I've built this page more or less live. It took me about 20 minutes. And then I've used the actual page that I've built. So click the link to sign up to Groove and get the bonus. I'll send you an email. If you wait till the end of the video, I've got a small video of ATS. In a moment, I'm going to build that template for you. It won't take long. I'm going to give you a really quick tour of Groove after that, showing you how you can build sites with navigation. It's a top level. Look into Groove. It's well worth it. It's free. You've got nothing to lose. In this case, you're also getting the additional benefit of the 24-hour ranking system from Affiliate Tube Success. It gives you all the tools that you need to get your online business going. When you come into Groove, you're going to see the different things you can do. So you've got Groove pages and funnels, which is what we're going to do in a second. Groove Sell, Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video, Blog, etc., etc. I just want to give you an example of a very simple funnel. I'm going to go into Groove Pages, and I've just set this up by doing new site, and I haven't done anything to it yet. So open editor. So I've come to opt-in funnels here. I'm just going to select this one, give it a name, and then start building. So this is my template. I'm just going to add in my ActiveCampaign details. I'm going to get rid of everything and then add in the ActiveCampaign. It's just much easier. I'm just going to change the name of this to entry form. Okay, and so the next thing I'm going to do is add the next page. I'm going to make it a thank you page. So a couple of minutes later, what we end up with is, after a little bit of tinkering, is just a nice clean thank you page. So basically what will happen is you'll come in, you'll go to the registration form, which is let's grow your business. I've changed the colors a wee bit here. You'll put in your email, a name and email. This is an ActiveCampaign form, so that goes straight into ActiveCampaign, which sends the email to give people access to the 24-hour ranking system and access to Groove. And once they've filled in the name and email, it goes to the thank you page. And that is a very simple landing page and thank you page. Now you can do other things with Groove. What you can do with Groove, you can actually build entire websites. I'm not going to show you that here, but just to give you an example. So this is one system that does landing pages, etc. It does single sites, I'll give you a very quick tour here. This is all for free, remember, so you can build a single page. Some examples of the single pages. You can do funnels. Again, you can target them in. Funnel marketing, lead generation, sales funnel, free booking agency. And you can do complete sites. This is complete sites with navigation. Let's just pick this plumber's site. I don't want to go into too much detail, but I just want to give you a quick overview. How the pages work is really the same as I've just showed you for that landing page and the thank you page. But essentially, you can build complete sites, as I showed you at the start. So taking a look at this one, I can go into pages, and so these relate to all the different menu items. This is so much easier than WordPress. With WordPress, you have to add to menu. I can change the order. It's automatically changing it up here. I can edit any page and add into that page individual elements. So I can add containers or cards or videos and, maps. So you get the idea, but it's really very simple. It's just to drag and drop and you pull it over. You can add pop-ups. One of the really cool things it does, you can add timers, and I can't quite see it, but you can add progress bars and countdown clocks. If you're doing an offer, you can do a 1 day, 23 hours, etc., etc. So what this means is that you don't just have all your funnels and landing pages, but you actually can build complete websites, and you also can use the Groove domain name. So you don't even need to have your own domain. You've got Groove Sell, which is if you're selling products, etc., etc. Groove Mail at the moment, you're integrating with other providers. This is coming on stream, I think, in May. And then you really do have absolutely everything. Groove Video, you can host your own videos. You can do blogs, Groove Cart. So there you go. This really is, you don't need to, I think there's something like 26 apps in here or something like that. So you really don't need lots of different services. You really, with Groove, get everything all in one place. And then you can join the Groove affiliate program. So anyone can join the affiliate program who joins Groove. So you've got all of the assets in here, and they've got examples of happy affiliates. Nope. And there's Paul Murphy from ATS. Paul was one of the best selling affiliates for Groove, and that just gives you an idea of the power of the Affiliate Tube Success Program, which I'm including as a bonus as it happens. And if you're wondering what ATS is, this is a 24-hour ranking system. And what it does is it shows you how to rank on Google and YouTube. Basically, you're using the power of YouTube to drive up your Google rankings, but it's so powerful when you can combine what you're doing with YouTube and Google with Groove, with landing pages and funnels and blogs and whatnot. It's brilliant if you're doing books, obviously, or any kind of local activity, or if, of course, if you're an affiliate marketer. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe as ever.